where we try to educate you on different business topics that will help you to navigate the UAE's landscape of business. Today I have a more financially related topic for all of you, and that is what exactly is the use of multiple business currency accounts and how you can use them to the advantage of your business. So as we all know, in this interconnected global world, we have no idea where the opportunity might arise, and it might come from borders beyond our measures. And at this point of time, where the country is going through so many global and economical functions, we also need to make sure that we are well prepared to be able to cater to these global customers. So today we'll talk about the pros of the business currency account and how exactly you can take full advantage of it. So the first advantage is the cost efficiency. So as you may know, the banks do charge high rates of conversion fees, and the exchange fees and the spread charges might also differ from bank to bank, and these might actually impede your business and may not be that accessible. So how exactly can you overcome this? The easiest way to overcome this, as you might have guessed, is to hold multiple business currency accounts. So if you're having a customer who is willing to pay you in euros and you want to receive the money in euros, you can do so by having a euro currency account for your business in a leading bank in the UAE in order to save on conversion charges and transaction fees. These charges and transaction fees can really add up, and you might notice that they're causing a dent in your business's financials at the end of the year when you're going through your financial report. The other thing is to mitigate the financial risk. As we all know, businesses these days operate in a multitude of currencies where the global volatility of the financial markets is quite high. So how exactly do you safeguard your currency or your money of the business? The easiest way to do this is to hold your money or your business financials in different currencies. Different currencies may act against each other in the forex market and may also make it much easier for you to maintain the safety and the true trust factor of the business. These type of currency accounts might come in hand also when you're dealing with a sudden transaction that comes from across a border where a client is able to make the payment immediately and you need to also transact off the money immediately. These type of situations arise without further due, and they may not have any unconvincing evidence as to them, which might make it difficult for it to go forward if you're receiving high volumes in a normal bank account. To have a normal currency bank account in a local currency of the sender or the receiver is much easier than trying to do everything through just the local currency of the UAE, which might make things difficult for you in the long handling of the business. These type of things also tend to affect the trust factor and the contracts and agreements that you might be able to sever with various transactions in the various countries that you're dealing with. If you're having a currency account in the local currency of the country that you want to do business in, it might make it much easier for you and may also have a trust factor to the businesses who are willing to do business with you. So these are a few things that you might really want to keep in check when how exactly you want to open a business currency account in multiple currencies. The most important question is how exactly can you open these currency accounts? The most easiest way, as I would like to put it, is to have the suppliers or buyers, which we like to call as counterparties in the the local currency country which you want to open. Let's say, for example, if you want to have a account in euros, you should be able to give justifiable evidence to the bank why exactly you need to have euros as a currency and how much you will be transacting overall on average in the fiscal year. So it's really important to make sure that you're having already plenty of contacts with which you will be able to transact and of course show a good balance in the bank as well in order to maintain the relationship with the bank in the said currency that you would like. A lot of countries also like to deal in dollars, even if the currency in that specific country is not dollars. So even in this way, you can state or stipulate in your agreements and contracts that the amount will be received or transacted in US dollars, which might make it easier for you to open a USD account for your business. There are certain currencies which we unfortunately cannot open in the UAE. However, the UAE offers more than 24 currencies in the accounts for the businesses, and these can all be opened very easily with the right documentation. So as I mentioned, you can reach us out at Vanguard in order to open multiple business currency accounts for your business and to make your process a little bit easier and to also make your transaction in the UAE easier. Thank you so much for joining us in our live today, and we will be seeing you shortly again with one of our other topics which might also cater to your businesses. Thank you so much.